Take your seats. We're going to begin our lesson. So,
Hey dude, look at this video.
Simon! Why are you making noise?
Oh, sorry, I was just...
I don't want to hear it. Pipe down and pay attention.
Yo, that was funny though.
Dude, not now. You almost got me in trouble.
Alright, but watch the video again because he also does...
Simon! What did I just say 5 seconds ago?
I wasn't even talking this time!
Then who was it? A ghost?
No, it was my friend!
Oh, yeah. Blame it on your friend every time you do something. That's what all troublemakers do.
I'm not a troublemaker, I always pay attention in your class!
Well, you can spend more time in here because now you have detention for 2 weeks. What? Better not catch you acting up again.
Dang, bro, you're taking L's right now.
This is your fault. Don't talk to me again.
Bro, don't be mad at me because you're the class clown.
Oh, I'm the class clown.